Hello, dysfunctional hackers from the transnational organized crime group community of cowards, weaklings, and pussies. The reason why I am recording this particular video on the Star Maker app is so that at the end of the video, I can share your link for this recording and the original link for this recording. I want to make sure that the world knows how dysfunctional and stupid you people are. So tell me, what do ICE agents wearing masks and people wearing masks during the COVID pandemic have in common? Mike Johnson can't tell the difference between the two.